Welcome to this tutorial on LBank Futures Grid, your automated trading tool for volatility arbitrage. Futures Grid is an automated trading strategy. It divides your set price range into multiple arithmetic grids, automatically buying low and selling high to profit from price fluctuations. It's perfect for sideways or range-bound markets. The core advantages include automated operation without constant monitoring, support for neutral, long, and short directions, up to 500 grids, AI parameter recommendations for beginners, and the ability to add margin for flexibility. Futures Grid supports 3 modes. Long Grid holds long positions and profits on price increases, ideal for oscillating upward trends. Short Grid does the opposite for downward trends. Neutral Grid shorts above and longs below the reference price for pure range oscillations. If price goes beyond the range, it suspends orders for high safety. To get started, visit the LBank official website and log into your account. Navigate to Futures in the menu to enter the Futures trading page, or search for a supported trading pair. Taking a long grid as an example, select a supported pair, set the price range with lower and upper limits, choose the number of grids up to 500, select arithmetic mode, input investment amount based on auto calculation, choose direction, optionally set take profit or stop loss, and use AI for recommendations. Confirm to create. The system initializes a sub-account and starts running. The grid interval is automatically calculated as upper price minus lower price divided by the number of grids. Manage by viewing pending orders and trade history. Add margin or set take profit or stop loss. In positions, go to Details for profit info, grid details, positions, pending orders, and records. It's best for sideways markets. Stop by going to Positions and selecting Stop, noting slippage. AI is reliable for beginners, but consider your risk. TP or SL is available. Supported pairs include BTC USDT, ETH USDT, and more listed. Happy trading with LBank Futures Grid. For questions, contact support or check announcements. Prosperous returns.